This is Jeremy. He hitchhiked his way 100,000 miles around the world without spending any money. As impressive as that is, I'm about to show you how you can go on the ultimate free ride yourself. In fact, if you click here right now, I'll show you how you can hitch a stock market free ride to potentially grab 78%, 225%, and even 540% overnight gains without risking a single cent of your starting capital. Stories like Jeremy inspire me. I always wish I had the freedom to take off and do what I wanted without having to worry about money. Listen, I used to work as a hedge fund trader at one of the world's biggest banks. I was trading a portfolio over $30 million, but I hated every second of it. I knew I didn't want to be chained to a desk on Wall Street for the rest of my life. I had to find a better way. Now I trade my own home on my own time, and I'm making more money than I ever could working for any hedge fund. I'm enjoying life in sunny Florida, spending time with my family and friends out on the water doing what I love. And the money kept pouring in, so I bought a couple of boats and a few toys. I'm not telling you this to brag. I want to show you how you can achieve the same financial freedom for yourself. So if you click here right now, I'll show you how you can get in on the next stock market free ride. How you can potentially triple your money overnight without risking a single penny of your own money. My secret weapon is this calendar with ties to a U.S. federal agency. It tracks news about stocks in a sector that is absolutely booming right now. On specific pre-scheduled days, news is released. Depending on the news, these stocks either shoot up like rockets or tank to the floor. Either way, there is a killing to be made. The problem is that you have no way of knowing whether the news will be good or bad. And once you do, it's already too late to cash in. But that changes today. You see, I discovered that my former colleagues and competitors in the hedge fund world have secretly been taking advantage of this calendar for years. They have early access to information that allows them to put down highly lucrative insider trades. They aren't stupid enough to place their trades directly through the stock market though. They trade derivatives that are nearly untraceable. Nearly. Because I have spent the last few years developing a system and software that can detect and track their hidden moves. And if you click here now, you can hitch a completely legal ride on their insider trades to potentially grab 540% overnight gains without risking any of your own money. Just like Matthew B. from Austin, Texas, who almost made $1,010 on a single day with a small account. Or Mark D. from Boca, who doubled his account for the second time. And I love this one from Jordan in Grand Rapids, Michigan. It proves you don't need a big trading account to start making big wins. And now it's your turn, because I have 4 potential free ride dates marked on my personal calendar right now. If you click here now, I'll give you these free ride dates today, and I'll show you how you can turn them into 78%, 225%, and even 540% overnight gains without risking a single cent of your starting capital.